Hello, and welcome to a knitting journey that will forever change how you approach patterns. Today, we're diving deep into the intricate world of knitting patterns, unraveling the mysteries hidden within their charts and abbreviations. If you've ever felt a pang of intimidation when faced with these seemingly complex instructions, fear not. This step-by-step class is designed to demystify the process and transform the way you read and understand patterns forever. We'll start with the very foundation: understanding common knitting terms, the building blocks of every project. You'll learn to differentiate between the fundamental stitches, knit and purl and master, the techniques of casting on, bringing your stitches to life, and binding off, securing your finished creation. Next, we'll crack the code of pattern abbreviations, the shorthand language of the knitting world. Terms like K2, tog, knit two together, SSK, slip, slip, knit, and yoke, yarn over may seem daunting at first. But I assure you, they will soon become second nature, like a familiar dialect. I'll provide a comprehensive, handy cheat sheet that you can print out and keep by your side as you knit, a quick reference guide to deciphering those tricky abbreviations. Now, let's explore the structure of a typical knitting pattern. Most patterns follow a predictable format, which you'll soon recognize with ease. They usually begin with essential information: the pattern name, the materials, needed yarn, needles, and notions, the gauge crucial for achieving the correct size, and the finished measurements, the dimensions of your completed project. Following this introductory section, comes the heart of the pattern: the instructions. These are typically separated into rows or rounds. Depending on whether you're working flat or in the round, you will be able to see clearly how each stitch is put together. To solidify your understanding, we'll practice reading a simple pattern together. We'll choose a basic scarf pattern, a project perfect for beginners, and break down each line, explaining every instruction in detail. This hands-on approach will help you see the pattern come alive. To make sure you know your stitches, we will move on to some practical steps. After going through the pattern, we'll move on to the practical steps of creating a simple garter stitch scarf. You'll combine the knit and purl stitches, mastering the basics while creating something beautiful and useful. Always read the entire pattern before you even pick up your needles. This will give you a complete overview of the project and prevent any unexpected surprises. Next, mark your place. Use stitch markers to keep track of important points in your pattern, such as the beginning of a round or increases and decreases. These small but mighty tools will keep you on track. Check your gauge before you begin your project. This is absolutely crucial for ensuring that your finished project will be the correct size.